So as you can see, this is a headband wig. I've had this for a long time and I know I need to throw it out, but I still need to use this. So I have other wigs, of course, but we want to see what we can do, and I want to see if these products actually work. Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video for all my girls out there that buy human hair wigs that are kinky curly. You know, sometimes you have to put them on and go do certain things like work, and the type of work that you do, you can kind of like mess it up. Anyway, this wig is like, it's on its last leg, right? But I pretty much need to revive this. And let me just move this. These are the 3 products that I'm going to be using. Cantu natural hair wave whip curling mousse is supposed to not have a crunch. Yeah, it's supposed to be for natural hair, but we're going to use this on here and see, because it says without the crunch. We're also going to use the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Vitalizer, and then Shea Moisture Weave and Wig Oil Shine Spray. As you can see, this is what we're working with here. It's really matted together. We're just going to try our best to get this back to its normal state. So let's see what we can do. I'm not gonna wet the wig with any water, and I'm not gonna wash the wig, of course. We're just gonna put this in there and see what happens. So let's just try this.
Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friend, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Till the end, I'm in the chocolate juice. Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friend, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Till the end, I'm in the chocolate juice. Long trip to islands. We fly, you waiting. It's so exciting. Girl, I love that Tik Tok, aiming. Put you in Snapchat, hiding. And I get deep down inside it. I get excited. Back up, give me love every day. Girl, I love the way you move. I just see you when you back up, when you mash up the place. Cause your body is your truth, so because of them sucker. Sugar mama, and another. Text on your brother, top shutter. You go harder, and that.
This wig, actually. As you can see, it has a really nice curl pattern.
Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friend, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Till the end, I'm in the chocolate juice. Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friend, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Till the end, I'm in the chocolate juice. Into you. mama. And another text on your brother. Top shutter, we go harder and that. Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friends, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Teddy and I made a chocolate. Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friends, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Teddy and I made a chocolate. So into you, you want me, want me to, want me to, want me to. Girl, I'm so into you. Give me love every day, give me love. Can you love the way you move? Got to see you when you back up, and you mash up the place. Girl, your body is a truth, because of them, so I just said sugar mama. And another flex on your body. Top girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friends, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Teddy and I made a chocolate. Girl, you really got me in the mood. Watch you with your friends, make it loose. Now me and my brothers got the juice. Teddy and I made a chocolate. Long trips to islands. We fly private. It's so vibing. The vibe is hiding. Girl, I look like Tik Tok. Put you in Snapchat, hide it. Then I get deep down inside it. I get excited. Car, give me love every day. Girl, I love the way you move. I just see you when you back up, and you mash up the place. Girl, your body is your truth, so because of them sucker. Sugar mama, and another text on your brother. Top shutter, we go harder.
Alright, so it's the next morning, and this is what I kept my hair in overnight. Just a little silk-like bag. For some reason, my camera didn't record me spraying this on it. So I'm just going to show you how it sprays on the wig, but at least you'll get to be able to see. This, I did spray it last, but you'll be able to see like how the shine is. So give me just a moment to put the wig on, and then you'll see how it came out. Okay. So this is how it looks like overnight. I know it looks like kind of jerry curlish, but yeah, this spray, I'm just gonna show you. I mean, it's super shiny and like oily and like moisturized, but after today I'm not gonna wear this wig for a while, so I'm just gonna be able to just keep it and let it just sit and kind of just, you know, soak in all the moisture. But anyway, this is how it sprays on. It's nice and light, it's not heavy, and it just pretty much helps revive it. It's a good, sleek, and smoother, and you know, my hands can pretty much just run right through the hair. Okay, so now you can see the hair. I am holding my phone in my hand, so hopefully this is nice and clear and you can see everything, but you can kind of see how it came out. I am gonna put it in a bun, not a bun, but I'm gonna put a band around it just to hold it in place all day. I am gonna go to work for a couple of hours, so you can see how the hair came out. And yeah, then I'm just gonna put it in the bag. I'm just gonna let this hair sit, and yeah, but the curls definitely came back. It is slightly wet. There is no crunch to it with that product, and it will dry throughout the day. So, and when I come home later, I'll kind of revive it just a little bit from being in the ponytail all day. But that's it. So Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop a line below. If you want to get the wig, the link is below. If you want to get the products, you can click on the link below. They're right there on Amazon. They'll come right to you. And if you do buy this wig, please comment below and let me know how you like it. All right? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.